There's something special about cooking on a rip-roaring fire. Whether it's grilling meat outside in the heat of the summer or even just firing up a gas stove with some serious BTUs, it imparts a primitive element to your cooking and enhances it.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric woks in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Aroma Housewares 5-quart AEW. The 5-quart capacity electric wok manufactured by Aroma Housewares is a large tool to add in your kitchen. It is designed to heat up quickly and will also retain the high heat whenever you are cooking. Inside this electric wok, it is non-stick coated and comes with a domed lid that makes it informal to clean up. On the other hand, it's perfect for tempura, steaming and braising. The appliance will allow you to make your favorite traditional and modern foods. The cool touch handles and base make it easy to carry the pot. It is also included with tempura rack, steam rack, and chopsticks. Number 2. VonShef 7.4 QT Electric Wok. There is a lot to love about this VonShef Electric Wok. VonShef is a brand that you can rely upon as it delivers quality home appliances that works perfectly. This 7.4 QT capacity aluminum wok has a lot of space that will let you cook enough Asian-style dishes for your family and friends. In other words, the interior of this wok is well coated and non-stick. This prevents food from sticking. The appliance comes with adjustable temperature control that has a rotary dial with fur heating setting. Thus you can select between high, medium, low and warm setting. The heat-resistant silicone handles will let you to safely handle the wok without any burning. Number 3. Aroma Housewares AEW 305 Electric Wok. If you require to stir-fry frequently and you need a less specialized wok, Aroma AEW 305 Electric Skillet is perfect for you. It has a classic dome-shaped